In this tutorial, I will discuss the File Manager tab under Tools. This is another tutorial under our Tools feature series. This tool allows users to manage and organize the files and directories associated with their website. It provides a user-friendly interface to perform various file-related tasks, such as creating, uploading, editing, deleting, moving, and copying files and folders. Navigate to Tools, then File Manager from the left navigation menu of the site you want to manage. As you can see, we made this page simple and organized, so you can easily manage all files on your site. First, we have the search bar at the top of the File Manager to locate files using keywords. Below the search bar is the file path to guide you. It can also be used as a back option if you want to go back to the previous page or the main page. Across that is the option to add new files and folders. You can either upload a file from your computer, create a new file, or create a new folder. Beside that is a refresh button to refresh the page to see the latest changes. Let's try to upload a file. If we click on the Upload File button, a pop-up will appear where we can add or drag our file to upload. And if you selected the wrong file, you can just click this Delete button and select the correct file. As you can see, there's a message here that the maximum file size to upload is 50 gigabytes. If the file that you are trying to upload already exists on your site, you can check this box to overwrite it with this new file to avoid duplicate files. For now, I will leave this unchecked. Then I will click on Upload. Now our file is showing up on the list with a confirmation on the bottom left of our screen, which means our upload was successful. Next is creating files. Enter a name for the file. For example, hello.php, then click Create File. Just like that, our file has been added, and a confirmation message on the bottom left. Editing a file is a straightforward process as well. Just click the three dots option next to the file, then click the View/Edit button. A new tab will appear where we can edit the actual file. Here you have the option to either undo or redo your edit. Once you're finished editing the file, simply click on Save Changes. It's as simple as that. Our last option under New is creating a new folder. Enter a name for your new folder, then click Create Folder. You can now add new files to that folder to make things more organized. And of course, the main screen displays all files on your site, including website files, media files, log files, etc. At a glance, you can see the important details about the files, such as their name, size, last modified date, and permission. And under Actions, we added various options to manage your files. For folders, we added Rename, Copy Path, and Delete. While for files, you can view/edit, download, rename, copy path, and delete. And for zip files, we added an unzip option right from the File Manager. And there you have it, our straightforward yet robust File Manager tool on the Rapyd dashboard. This tool enables users to securely manage website files and folders without the need for FTP or SFTP access.